Hey there guys, Marriage to Videos. Well, I broke the lug grapple. Yeah. Bent it. It cracked right here. And it's bent here. So, was this a good value? Well, I bought it originally just for the rotator, which was kind of most of what I was interested in. I like the rotator, like that. I want to modify that for my buckets. But, in general, it's kind of cheap. And for this to break, I mean, it's ridiculous. Look at this pipe. Who uses damn thin wall pipe on a thing like this? I mean, this is ridiculous. It should be solid. Come on, China. This stuff should be solid. I mean, you do such a good job with pins, solid pins on everything else, hopefully. And use a hollow tube on here. I mean, it's going to break. I mean, it's common sense. I mean, Jesus. I mean, at least put a proper pin on there, like something solid, 1-inch pin, solid stock. I mean, that's ridiculous. Look at all this. This is all beefy. Why can't you have a solid pin in there? I mean, it's ridiculous. But, you know, if you're using it for light duty stuff, fine. But if you're using it on a mini excavator or a small backhoe like I have, like even if you have like a the B series or the L series backhoes, even the M series backhoes, I mean, you're gonna bust something up. You're gonna tear it up using this application, right? It's not really designed for our machines, right? Unless you have rigged up like I do. So, but you're going to tear it up because it's not strong enough. You can tell it's not strong enough. The metal is kind of chintzy. And it's one thing about, I find with metal from China, it's chintzy. I don't know, there's some kind of some ingredient in it that makes the metal really soft. I mean, you have threads in something. Like I've seen threads in a piece of 1-inch plate, right? A good heavy duty thread, big bolt, and it pulled right out of it. The threads pulled right out of that plate. I mean, like nothing. It almost seemed like it was plastic. Really, really stupid. And I believe in my product that we get from China. I really believe in it. But there are some things that have to be redone. I mean, this is unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. And it's really bad. Really bad. When a guy's in the middle doing a project and this happens, it won't clamp. And what's happening, here's your finger like a clamp, right? Well, it's doing this, right? Because this arm here was bent, right? So the one is on the inside, it's coming in, like this, coming in. And the other one's just staying there. So, I mean, you know, it's not clamping. It should be clamping like this, right? Pinching logs. But it wasn't doing it because it bent. So, I would suggest if you are buying machines from China, I would suggest staying away from this one here because it's not designed properly. It's very cheaply made. Unless you re-engineer it, then you might be okay. But it's really cheaply made. I wouldn't suggest it unless you're buying it for the intent for the rotator, like me, who is a fabricator. I think as a fabricator, you see the value in it. But if you're not a fabricator, you're some Joe Blow thinking this is going to work for you, you're better off getting a thumb for your excavator or backhoe, and Bob is your uncle. You don't have to worry about it. It's there, and it's heavy duty and such. You just go with that. Stay away from this. Unless you know what you're doing, you know how to fix stuff. You're a fabricator. You can fix this problem. But other than that, I don't have anything good to say about it. Other than it has lots of spare parts which you can use for different things and such. And there you have it. So yeah, just another review for that. Really disappointed in this system here. So don't buy it unless you know what you're doing. All right, folks, that's all to say for now. And if you have any questions about grapples and other attachments for mini excavators from China, feel free to post a comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you're not going to find anybody else on YouTube is going to tell you the direct answer on attachments from China for mini excavators or backhoes, whatever. I'm a dealer, and I can tell you exactly what to look for and what to stay away from. So, you want a machine that's going to last? You talk to me. I'll give you the right answers. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.